What's up, guys? We are back another episode, and we are in San Francisco. Yes, today we're going to show you some of the sneaker shops out here in the Bay Area. We're going to hit Redwood, and then one other one that I can't remember exactly what it's called right now, but when we pull up, we'll be sure to show you all the signs and give you all the information of where we're going. I'm a little cold, so my hunt is going to be on for a hoodie, because I was expecting some hot weather. San Fran. It's a little, no, I don't want one of those, but let's go check out these sneaker stores, say what's up, get right into it. Yeah, let's do it. Sorry. Is it good? We got our guy Aaron with us.
Hey!
Hey! You grew up here, didn't you, in Fresno?
I grew up down south in Fresno, but we were here like every other weekend. So I mean, there was nothing to do out there, so we came out here and kicked it. And like, I'm really happy to be back in this cold weather for sure.
What'd you say you used to do at the pier? Loiter.
we used to loiter and try to hit on girls, and it never worked for me. So thank God I got married now, and I don't have to worry about that anymore because my game was not good. But yeah, we used to just loiter and like just annoy people as 15-year-olds. It was great.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but this guy is wearing a pair of the new off-white dunks of the 50. Damn! He must have just got them in and threw them on. Seriously, yeah. All right, we have arrived. This is the block that Redwood is on. Just parked in front of FTC. And so you're just paying for parking. You got it? Go. $7.50 right here, first shoe that I pick up.
7.5, let's go.
Is this whole row 7.5? 8, 9. 7.5? 7.5. They have all the 7.5.
They're all right there?
I think it's like just the style, and then the sizes are on the, or the, all the sizes they have are on the bottom. These are nice. 7.5?
8 and 9.5.
That's a good way to do it.
Really good news in there, yeah.
Is this your shop too?
No.
No, there is in here.
No, we're just visiting.
That is super weird.
Fragment Beijing dunks for 120 used in there.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we gotta definitely go check it out.
I got a pair of Red 4s, really good condition for $295.
Nice.
2019 pair, but yeah.
That's like when I saw Travis
Yeah.
the last time.
The airport.
From Get It Where You Fit It.
Oh yeah.
Stop picks and go brand
Those
new.
catching your eye?
Yeah.
Those are nice. You don't see those too often.
No, not anymore. I mean, it's hard to find them brand new. This is a pretty nice pair for used. Not
You
too
gonna
much
cop?
wear.
How much?
3?
3? It's not too bad. Their prices are pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty fair price for this.
To be determined. Alright, so that was Redwood. They didn't want to talk to us too much or shout out their store, but I guess we'll shout them out for them. Shout them out anyway. Yeah. Redwood in San Francisco. Pretty cool shop.
Personally don't.
Right? As a store owner, you would think you would want to
shout yourself out, but
shout
hey,
your
whatever.
store out. But that's so good.
What's the next spot we're going to?
I believe it's called Locker.
Locker. All right, we're gonna go there.
Liquor,
Hopefully,
locker.
Hopefully, liquor. Hopefully they'll be a little bit more talkative with us. Talk some sneakers, maybe find ourselves a 7.5, maybe find myself a hoodie. Let's get right to it.
Let's do it. And so just parallel parking on a.
These spots are huge.
Oh.
Clutch.
I'm used to parallel parking in front of the shop.
And then this guy leaves.
Oh yeah. Turd.
Okay, we've arrived to the Locker. Buy, sell, trade. Hopefully they'll show us a little bit more hospitality. Let's go see if we can find anything cool. I would like to leave with a pair for myself, but let's go shout them out. Go check it out. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Nice. Ring a ding ding ding.
Gotta ring the doorbell to get in. Wow. Wow, this is awesome.
Yeah, this is dope.
Super clean. Super cool shop too. They also did not want to be
I know.
on camera, but
I understand people are shy, but We're not looking at Yeezys.
Why?
We're not looking at Yeezys. We ain't looking there. What about these?
Really good
though?
selection.
Those are
The only thing is I wish everything had like a price and a size on it. A little bit hard to look through.
Yeah, you need a fresh pair of these. You
I know, mine
cooked
are-
ours.
Every single barbecue event.
Yeah, so nice when they're white and like
I
actual
do
blue.
need a fresh pair of those.
I noticed some of this stuff has like tags on it. Maybe this.
I don't know. Whoa. I'm
Jordan.
pretty sure those go for a lot. Maybe the high tops are the ones that
Yeah.
go for a lot. I think the
Again,
high
no-
top Chicago cleats go for like $1,500
That's
or
crazy.
something.
Again, though, just simple stuff with having a price.
Yeah. Really good selection though.
Yeah, super good selection.
Aaron, you see anything?
Oh, not really. I should have got those SBs, the Oakland A's SBs back at the other place. They were just a little more friendly to me. I would have got them, but
Uh-oh. Damn, bad vibes this video.
yeah.
Bad
yeah.
vibes.
Yeah.
That was Locker.
Shout out Locker.
They had shout out Locker. They had a good selection of sneakers. I don't know what it is. Maybe people are just more friendly and talkative in Seattle. But hopefully,
San Francisco freeze, man.
yeah. Everybody talks about Seattle having a freeze.
Bad vibes.
It's worse here.
Trying to bring
Hopefully-
good vibes here.
I know.
Still shouting them out. Still showing
shouting 'em
love. Shout out Redwood and Locker.
Yeah.
All right, what's next? We're gonna hit one more. I think it's called the Fix or something closer to the Airbnb.
Okay.
So we'll see you guys there.
All right.
Give it one last chance.
I know.
We
One
can
more try, guys.
All right.
45 minutes.
Okay, we have arrived after Tia's crazy driving.
They close at 5, so we've been rushing to get here. I hope they don't hate us, but let's see if we can find some deals.
Some deals, or at least some conversation.
Yeah, some conversation. Damn, look at the Funkos. Hella.
They have this really cool throwback case. It's like they have some 94s, some white cements that got some major crumble going on. Super dope. And they have this huge ass Funko selection over here. What'd you grab?
I grabbed one of their shirts. Let me see. Probably gonna rock it tomorrow at the Travis's. It goes really well. It's like a nice brown. Has a little Nike swoosh with like roses on the front, and on the back it
What
says,
is that?
"Can I kick it?"
It's one of their short trees.
Oh, cool.
We'll unbox it right now, unwrap it. It's pretty fire.
That's cool. It's got like the cactus plant, or the, what is it, CPFM font?
Yep.
That's super cool.
And the front is a little Nike swoosh with like the roses.
Yeah, I need to grab one of those too.
Yeah, it's really cool. I'm gonna rock it tomorrow for sure.
Nice. Yeah, these guys are a lot cooler.
Yeah,
They
hella cool here.
they actually greeted us when we walked in.
We found the Cause Uniqlo with the thing. I think we have one of these, right?
In black,
In
yeah.
black. So we gotta get the white
Wear it
one.
all the time.
Alright guys, let's pick the bag. We ended up picking up that Cause key.
Wait, show them the merch. Show them how
Oh yeah,
sick
and
it
I
is.
was going to. Let's get into it.
Best merch in the game.
Best merch right here. I don't know, the ours are pretty cool, but this
Nah.
one's pretty cool. This one's pretty cool. Look at that Nike swoosh on there with the roses
That's so
and the
cool.
petals. And then the back, can I kick it? That's dope. Aaron picked up one too, as you guys just saw, but we had to get the black and blue one because those are our colors for shout.
We got Kev here. He showed us some hospitality. Thank you so
You guys want
much
me to get
for
cringe
showing
on
love.
camera? I'm super cringe on
Hey,
camera.
that's okay.
Cringe the better. Yeah, just shout out like the shop.
So
how long
Fix
you been
Kicks in
here?
Santa Clara, I've been here for 6 years. It's actually our 4th location. So yeah, so we keep on getting bigger. So it's cool. It's been cool. So can't
Has this been
complain.
good?
Yeah, can't complain.
No sneaker
It's
con
going
this weekend.
good. No, fortunately, I gotta be here.
Yeah.
Busy.
We know how
Fort
that
down.
is.
And we got the
Yeah.
Kai's pop-up on Sunday.
Ooh, that's here?
That's here, yeah.
Oh, okay, I heard about that.
Shout out Kai, thanks for
Yeah,
the
shout out
invite.
Kais.
All right, shout out Kev. Thank you so much for showing us
Appreciate it,
love.
guys. Thank you.
Alright guys, we just wrapped up at the Fix, by far my favorite shop that we've been to today.
Awesome.
Super nice guys, their selection was awesome, their prices were really good.
Yeah.
I definitely remember some of the prices from the other shops we went to, and like some of them were $50 under what it was there, and that's a lot in our market, you know. So if you guys are ever in Santa Clara, that is where we're at, right?
Clara, yes.
Come check them out. I'm sorry, what was his name?
Kev, owner,
Kevin.
and Alex, I believe.
Yep, Kevin and Alex, I believe, were the owners' names. If we are wrong, we apologize. My memory's not that
Super
great.
nice guys, great variety, Funkos, clothing, shoes. Just
And you
overall,
get a go ahead. And you get a free Nesquik chocolate
yeah.
milk with every purchase. I didn't get one, but they're there.
Yeah.
We are gonna go to dinner. So before this episode wraps up, we're gonna go eat, and we'll show you guys what we're having. Stay tuned.
Where are we eating, Nicole?
Farmhouse Kitchen in Menlo Park.
Thai food, right?
Yes, Thai food.
You ever had blue rice before?
First time for everything, right?
Looks good.
Is it sticky rice? I think it's sticky rice.
Is it?
I think it's jasmine. He said it's jasmine.
Hot sauce and the
Thank you so
chili
much.
flakes.
Thank you so much.
Can we get some chopped? I'll wait. We got pork belly. We got beef patty, one of our favorites, and then we got a yellow curry with chicken.
There's one more dish coming. I think pineapple fried rice.
Pineapple fried rice.
Demolished.
I hate to say it. I don't hate to say it, but that was probably one of, if not the best Thai food places I've ever tried in my whole
Ever.
life.
Ever. No. We absolutely demolished everything except for pineapple rice. But seriously, probably the best Thai food I've ever had.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it's fire. I'm like filled up to here.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, thank you for coming along with us today to all the sneaker shops and our little trip in San Francisco, Bay Area, San Jose, where are we?
California.
Palo Alto, I think we're at right now. But yeah, our tummies are full. We're gonna go back to the room, get ready for SneakerCon tomorrow, price some shoes, and get a good night's rest, and then have a great weekend ahead of us. So we're out for now. See you later guys.
Peace out.